Imagine you've found a shiny stone and you're wondering, could it be real diamond? In this video, I'll share the easiest ways to test raw diamonds at home without complicated tools. First, try the fog test. Hold the stone close to your mouth and breathe on it. If the fog disappears in less than a second, that's a good sign. If it lingers, it's probably not diamond. Second, the water test. Place the stone in a glass of water. If it sinks quickly, it's dense like a diamond. If it floats or sinks slowly, it's likely fake. Third, the scratch test. Diamond is the hardest natural material, so if it scratches glass easily, there's a high chance it's real, but avoid scratching valuable stones to prevent damage. Fourth, the reflection test. Place the stone on a white sheet of paper and try to see text through it. If you can't see it clearly, this indicates diamond's light scattering properties. These are the simplest methods you can try yourself at home. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss the latest insights about the world of gemstones.